No crack line there.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today you join me down at Automodz, which we are here to fit the Maxton Design Mondeo MK4 splitter kit. So we've got the fronts and the sides to fit. So let's see how it goes, guys. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. So Mark's just getting the car in the unit. Who put them there?
I don't know. Lay by hand.
So basically we have got a splitter on already, which is a genuine Ford one, but we're replacing it with a Maxton full. So this one will be for sale. Right, so here's the Maxton splitter and side skirts. We'll show you the part numbers. These are the dedicated Mondeo ones. We have fitted a set before, but they were the S-Max splitters to Mel's car, which you can find that video on the channel. So let's see what these dedicated Mondeo ones are like. So Mark's taking great pleasure in the unpacking.
Oh, lovely.
And peeling.
Oh, look how shiny that is. Look how new it is. For how long? For a day.
Till we reach a pavement.
Oh, the joy. What's that one in?
Ooh, look at that badge. Car needs a good clean. So Mark's getting the back one in position and the front one, and then we can
do the rest.
Do the rest in between. Pretty straightforward job, isn't it, really, Mark?
Yeah.
It helps that you've got side skirts, isn't it?
You can't put them on if you didn't. Maybe they give me enough screws. Surprised they're not nut and bolts.
I suppose it might be like an health and safety thing. That if you hit something, they just rip out rather than snapping. Maybe, I don't know.
Double screw it here at the front.
So basically I went to a show the other week at Sheffield, and I nearly got stuck on a pavement, and I realise now that I've lost my caps at the front, which has spoilt it a bit, but we can just drop them out and replace them. So coming off is the front splitter that Mark fitted a while ago. Genuine Ford one, that is. Look, there's the part number if anybody wants one. So yeah, she's looking rather plain now, as Mark's unpackaging the big beefy splitter to go on. That is quite a substantial splitter, to be fair. There he goes, look. Does that feel good, Mark?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I've changed my mind, I don't like it. I love it. Here he goes with his clips. I'm just going to help him get it lined up and we'll be back shortly. So this is it in place with Mark's clips. And there, look, one there. He's just going to do the pilot holes now.
Pilot holes for the ends and then work around.
Does that indicate where it needs to go then, them little bubbles?
Well, no, not really, but that's where I put them. Do a bit thicker plastic there.
Right, okay, reinforced. So these ones come with nuts, bolts and washers. Obviously pretty straightforward there. Yeah, it attaches. Get yourself a spanner in there and you can ratchet it from the front.
Go to the other side.
So you know where to come to get your splitters fitted. Down at Automodz, Mark's done loads of splitters. Suppose you could class that as one of the easy jobs, Mark, maybe? Compared to an engine you build? So you've done the two either ends, middle,
And then I'll do the rest.
and then the rest.
And drill all the holes.
Because then that keeps it in situ, doesn't it?
And drill all the rest of the holes. And you're going to be noisy.
So Mark was just saying there's no markers for these ones, so if you start by doing at the bulge, and then, what would you say, Mark, probably about halfway?
I'm just going to work out how many screws they've provided. 1, 2, and then how many I can put down everywhere else. I think it'll be enough if I just do one there. Doing the one there at the front, so 2 more there. Really need a lot of support on the sides, it's here at the support.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to do one in the middle there. I think that's more than enough. That'll pull that up there
Yeah.
as well. Yeah, they're all about 8-10 inches apart from each other, it's more than enough.
So there you go, about 10 inches apart. So you've got one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and then the same on the other side. So starting here, and then you've got one in between, one there. Ready for when you go buy yours. Right, so we're all bolted up.
Yep, all fitted.
Is it nice and tight, Mark?
It's all nice and tight.
So just have a...
If you catch that on a curve, you'll be ripping your bumper off instead.
Yeah, that's the only thing. You can see there the fixings.
There's more fixings on that than there is Ford put fixings on the bumper in the first place.
Yeah. Right, onto the side skirts. Oh yeah, look at that splitter. Fits lovely to the contour of the bumper. And when you have a lowered car, look, we've got 2 stacked blocks of wood to drop it down onto so that we can rearrange the legs of the ramp because we can't get the splitter in.
Load frigging cars.
It's a Mondeo, not a Focus.
Hello.
Yeah, it's only set on H&R springs. We're not running coilovers or daft like that. Right, so now Mark's made the adjustments with the ramp legs. You can see now we've got space to get the side skirt extensions in. Can't stop looking at this. So again, starting with the rear, these are just self-tapping onesies. Now that's in place, we'll put the rest of them in to hold it up.
Stick a load of more in.
He does make it look very easy, but he has got a lot of experience.
It is easy.
Loads. Loads.
That's it.
Lovely.
Not done that one, I've got it about there. One, two, three. I need to run the back here. Oh, it's somewhere here.
Look mint. So here we go, Automodz. Fitted the Maxton extensions. Right guys, so just thought we'd give you a little walk around. Splitter looks amazing. Great fitment there. And then obviously the side skirts. So probably just finish off with a little bit of a visual. Thank you all for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more coming soon.